we created the Hybrid Library to be the best value general sound effects library available. Altogether, the Hybrid Library represents over $10,000 in value, but we've made it available for less with annual licensing options for companies and discounted pricing for freelancers through our freelancer program. Curated by pro sound effects and continually improved with feedback from our users. The Hybrid Library is designed to be the core of your sonic arsenal with over 65,000 sound effects and online access from any computer, including categories like Ambiences, Animals, Foley, Production Elements, Technology, Warfare, Weather, Whooshes, and beyond. Universal, uniform metadata allows for lightning-fast, pinpoint searches. Sound professionals around the globe rely on the Hybrid Library while working on some of our favorite films, TV shows, and video games. Independent reviews show unparalleled search breadth, depth, and value. Designing Sound says, this library presents an amazing value. And Sound and Picture wrote, there's literally no way to go without the sound effects you need with the Hybrid Library. At the end of the day, the Hybrid Library will help you work faster, more efficiently, and more creatively. Check out the demos and full features and see for yourself why the Hybrid Library is the best reviewed general sound effects library available. Visit prosoundeffects.com/hybrid.